In India, agriculture plays an important role in the development of country's economy. Scorching summer threatens our planet every year. This enables us to cultivate our traditional crops at their seasons. So, it is a crying need to save every droplet of water. We can't imagine the life without water. Since it is a hope of life in future, this necessity has swept us for this innovation. Project deals with how water and fertilizer can be distributed automatically and efficiently. The area which is to be irrigated will be divided into discrete zones of different soil conditions, where each zone includes moisture sensor and temperature sensor, which is placed at a regular intervals. It consists of a connecting probe which is laid down in the soil. It is used to sense the moisture of the soil and sends the signals to the controller. A solenoid valve having an on state and an off state for controlling the flow of water is disposed in the soil. It is an electrically operated valve. It consists of an energizing coil and a soft iron piece with a valve which cuts or supplies the fluid. When the supply is given to the coil, it energizes and pulls the valve, and the valve opens and water flows. When the coil de-energizes, the valve closes automatically due to the spring action and cuts off the supply of water. Fertilizer tank consists of a fertilizer and water mixer which is distributed to the field at specified time. Chemical fertilizer will make the soil infertile soon, so we plan to use the biological fertilizer. Now we are using the biological fertilizer. This method of distributing the fertilizer to the uh, field will make good yield to the farmers. This is the hardware setup of our product. It consists of GSM module, LED panel, motor driver circuit, solenoid driver circuit, power supply, and uh, it consists of TI components such as major component MSP 430F 2012, 16-bit ultra low power microcontroller. The microcontroller accepts data from sensors and compares data with the set points. Corresponding signal is generated. Here we used the GSM technique. In our project, we are using SMS technique to instant or quick transfer of data. A message consisting of maximum of 160 alphanumeric characters can be sent to the farmer. It sends all sensor data from SIM 300 to mobile user at control station. When we want to read data of all the sensors monthly, yearly, we can access the data from external card storage. If the water level in the field goes below the rated value, then it will send the signals to the control unit. It will activate the motor to turn on. Then the message will be sent to the farmer stating that the field motor in your field gets started. After the motor turned on, the water from the well is pumped and then it is sent to the main valves. The fertilizer water is also taken from that and then it is distributed to the field automatically. With the use of this technique, we can reduce water consumption. If our project comes as a product, we have further enhancement idea. We are going to use as a whole as a solar product. So the goal of our system is use water efficiently and our system is fully automated which does not require any manual assistance. Totally my product is Krishak Bandhu, farmer friendly. Thank you.